Hey guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back with another DIY for you guys. So today we're going to be making some black soap. So this black soap has tons and tons of benefits to it, and it's very different from African black soap. So if that's what you guys have in mind, this is not what we're making. This black soap is actually black because it has activated charcoal in it. So activated charcoal actually has tons and tons of benefits for your skin. It's a natural exfoliant. It actually helps reduce a lot of oiliness on your skin. And over time, using this soap, you're gonna notice that your pores actually start to shrink. And if you suffer from acne, this can actually really help reduce a lot of your acne. So the activated charcoal is basically our magical ingredient in this soap recipe. Charcoal is actually able to absorb like thousands and thousands of times its weight. And that's why it's able to absorb so many toxins from within our skin. So it's a very nice and natural way to kind of tackle oily skin that has a lot of buildup and dirt in it. So this soap actually goes in very deep into your pores because of the activated charcoal, and it removes a lot of the dirt and gunk deep from within your pores without drying it out, because we are going to be putting a lot of oils into this soap, and it actually has a base of shea butter as well. So it's very moisturizing, even though it's going to give you a very deep cleanse. So I'm going to show you guys very quickly how I make this soap. It only takes a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup and my nighttime routine with this soap. So you'll need a double boiler, and if you don't have one like myself, just a pot of boiling water with a steel bowl on top is just fine. And then we're gonna start with 1 cup of shea butter soap base, and it comes like a solid brick. So the best way to kind of measure it out is to cut it into tiny little bricks and then fill your measuring cup with that. And you're gonna use 1 full cup of this. And you're gonna add it onto your double boiler, and you're gonna wait for it to melt and give it a quick whisk just to make sure there's no lumps. And then we're gonna go ahead with some jojoba oil, and I'm gonna add in 1 full tablespoon of this. And you're gonna want to combine this until it's completely mixed together perfectly. And then you're gonna remove the mixture from the heat. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with some activated charcoal, and I'm using 100% all natural food grade activated charcoal, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon into the mixture. And you're gonna wanna work very quickly to combine this, because it sets very quickly and it gets very lumpy, and if it does, you have to put it back on the double boiler to melt. So make sure you move very quickly. And lastly, a few drops of tea tree and lavender essential oil. These are optional, but the lavender gives it a really good scent, and the tea tree oil is actually very good for clarifying. And then I'm gonna very quickly grab a silicone mold, and I'm gonna pour the mixture into about 3 of these molds. You can fill it up completely if you want larger soap bars, but I prefer them a little bit smaller. And we're gonna let this cool at room temperature for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, it should pop out very easily, nice and smooth. And look how gorgeous these are when they come out. These actually make really cute little party favors or gifts as well. Okay, so I just got home, so I'll show you guys very quickly my nighttime routine with this soap. So I'm just gonna take my contacts off. And then I'm just gonna take some makeup remover and take off the majority of my eye makeup. Alright, so we're gonna pretend this is my little sink here, and I'm just gonna wet my face. I'm just gonna wet the soap. As you lather it into your skin, it gently exfoliates your skin. And because it's such a deep clarifier, it removes the majority of my makeup. So I remove all the heavy makeup around my eyes. with makeup remover, and then the rest I just kind of take off with this. So this soap bar does have quite a bit of moisture in it, but it's only so that it doesn't dry out your skin. You still need to follow up with a moisturizer after you use this soap. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some love in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.